What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Super exciting stuff going on as always, and this particular video is doubly exciting because the World Cup is in full throttle and I am so excited about that. You can probably see on the jersey that I'm wearing. Yes, we support Sweden and I hope that they really win, and if they do I will probably do something crazy. So I decided I'm gonna build a computer to watch the World Cup on. I already got a computer beside the TV, but it's not as pretty as this one. On Monday, Sweden plays their first game versus South Korea. So I hope you guys will tune in on that and cheer Sweden to 3 points. Before we look at the parts, we're going to roll the damn intro because this is Moist Hardware World Cup edition. Let's go! Alright guys, here's the parts. We will start off with the graphics card from EVGA GeForce GTX 970, super clocked. That will work probably great. I actually own two of these, so one sits in the wife's computer and I'm gonna put one in that case. And right there we have the SSD 120 gigs from WD Green. That will work great as always. We got the power supply from Corsair VS550 non-modular. I actually own a couple of those, but they're cheap and they're really good. So they will probably be perfect for this build. And for RAM, we got DDR4 16 gigs 2400 megahertz from Corsair Vengeance LPX. And a wireless motherboard. No, wireless motherboard. Wireless keyboard, not motherboard. We don't have wireless motherboards. Wireless keyboard with integrated mouse pad. And for the motherboard we got the Gigabyte B250 and Phoneix Wi-Fi, because I don't have any cables that goes from the router right there all the way to the living room. And for our heart and soul, the CPU is the Intel Core i5 7600 Kaby. So that's the parts guys. Please comment on which team you think is going to win the World Cup 2018. And if you have any suggestions on my next video, please comment on that too. Take care, thank you so much for watching, bye bye.
Yeah. there's a long ball through, and
oh my God, an insane goal! I've just seen the most insane goal I have ever seen on a football pitch. Incredible, incredible Zlatan Ibrahimovic. That is the beautiful game, played in a beautiful way.